Yeah, here at Pugh Farms we got a little bit of snow. We're guessing somewhere around 13 inches. We've got drifts anywhere from, I don't know if we can even see that, 19 inches there, but we've got other ones that are like 3 foot. But been a few years since we've had anything like this. I remember 78, 79, we had some drifts, but this kind of come from, wind was out of the northeast a lot of the time, so we've got a little bit different drifting. But like there's 20 inches. But a lot of people trying to get out. There's no reason to get out. Just kind of stay in here. I just plugged the tractor in, so maybe later today we'll get the driveway cleared out. But everybody have a good one. Hopefully everybody's safe.